Hello everyone, welcome to this series of short videos on candlestick patterns. This is number 12 in our series. We're going to talk about the dark cloud cover pattern, which is a bearish pattern. Number 11 in the series was the piercing line, which is kind of the bullish companion or the bullish opposite to this pattern. I'll put a link into that if you missed it. At the end of this video. My name is Barbara Armstrong. I'm a coach and senior manager with Charles Schwab. I invite you to follow me on X if you're not doing so already. My handle at Barb Armstrong CS. And just before we get into the thick of things with this pattern, know that everything that we cover in our short time together today will be for general information purposes only. None of it to be construed as a recommendation or endorsement of any stock, security, chart pattern, or investment strategy. So here's our dark cloud cover pattern. As I mentioned, it's a bearish pattern and it's only considered a signal when it occurs at the top of an uptrend. So we're looking for a stock that has been uptrending. And then we're going to see two candles appear. The first one is going to be big and bullish. So it looks like this uptrend is continuing. At the beginning of the second day, all looks good in that it opens higher than where it closed the previous day. And then the sellers come in and start selling and driving the price down. And to be considered a dark cloud cover, it should close below the midpoint of the first candle. And this really indicates that the sellers have come in and are starting to take charge, and it is a potential shift in sentiment and a market reversal or a potential reversal in the price. Confirmation is not technically required, but some traders will wait for a third day to see if a bullish, this bullish trend continues. And also some investors or traders will look at, let's say, the MACD to see if there's a bearish divergence setting up. They might look at the relative strength indicator. So they might say, I see this happening on the charts and I'm going to look for confirmation in some other indicators or other places as well. So let's go and look at an example on a chart. And I'm bringing up IBM, and we can see that during this period of time in June of 2025, that the stock was uptrending, pulled back for a couple of days, then it had another nice run to the upside, and then we see this open higher on the next day, and then it closed almost all the way through the body of that first candle. So when we look at that pattern, that would qualify as a dark cloud cover pattern. And, when we kind of step back and look at this, we can see, that in fact, it did lead to a bit of a downtrend, didn't it? So I hope you have found this helpful. I've enjoyed bringing it to you. So stay tuned for more short videos coming your way soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.